What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Can you solve this viral math problem that is dividing the internet? Divide 40 by 1/2 and add 15. What do you get? It's either 35, 95, or 17. And just a quick shout out to Mind Your Decisions that posted this question originally. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So this is a very interesting problem when you first look at it and try it mentally. What most people do is when they see divide 40 by 1/2, they immediately think take 1/2 of 40, right? So 1/2 of 40 is 20, and then adding 15 after the fact would give us this answer of A, 35. So this is where a lot of people are getting tripped up. But the thing is, it's not saying half of 40. That would be 20. It's saying divide 40 by 1/2. The best way to think about division of a fraction is to think about monetary values, right? So let's say we have $40 and we're dividing it up into $half or 50-cent coins. So the question is, how many $half would give us $40? Well, I know 2 $half would give us $1, right? 4 $half would give us $2. So the amount of $half is always double the dollar value that we're trying to get. So if I'm trying to get $40, I would need 80 $half, meaning that dividing 40 by 1/2 is actually 80. Then after that, if we add 15, we see the correct answer is 95. One other quick way to explain this, if I wrote it out in the math equation, 40 divided by 1/2 plus 15, we know that when we see division of a fraction, we can do something called keep, change, flip. So I keep the first number 40, change the division to multiplication, and flip the fraction from 1/2 to 2/1, which would make it just 2. Now I have this problem. 40 times 2, which is 80, plus 15 is once again 95 for the win. Boom, done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.